Volvo Infotainment Systems, now Volvo Cars OS with Google Automotive Services, power navigation, multimedia, and more in models like the XC40, XC60, XC90, EX30, and EX90. These systems handle navigation, multimedia, and connectivity across various Volvo models. Resets are key for fixing common issues like system freezes, unresponsive screens, or connectivity glitches. Volvo emphasizes over-the-air updates to minimize the need for manual resets. If you're experiencing issues with your Volvo infotainment system, a reset might be necessary. There are three main types: soft reset, hard reset, and factory defaults. Understanding each type and when to use it is crucial for effective troubleshooting. A soft reset restarts the system without data loss. Press and hold the power button on the center console for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black, then release. The system reboots in 1 to 2 minutes and resolves minor freezes. A hard reset is a deeper reset that forces the system to shut down and restart, clearing RAM and cache. For touchscreen models, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. For knob-based systems, use the engine start-stop button. Use only if soft reset doesn't work, as it may disrupt active navigation. A factory reset wipes all user data, apps, and settings, restoring the system to its original state. Access via Settings menu, General, Factory Reset. PIN may be required, default 0000. This takes 5 to 10 minutes and requires repairing devices and updating software. Always perform resets when parked and ensure the battery is charged. Backup data via the Volvo app before a factory reset.